Well, the second we walked into the home, we thought someone's been living here for 20, 30 years and did nothing to the property. No upkeep, didn't really clean on a regular basis. So we couldn't really envision it all renovated and looking nice and sparkling and modern. So it took a little while for us to do some thinking and researching for us to finally come to some type of vision of how the home would look like. Being our first renovation, we wanted to do our due diligence and interview as many construction companies as possible.
They were actually quite different, so we chose one that was very like bare bones, general contractor, but there's no design work, there's no architecture work, no layout plans. There's another company that we went with who would put some design work in there, some architectural work in there, but we've seen the quality of the work that they've done. It's not bad. And then we saw Kenorah's work, and that's just when we knew that the quality of work was just a lot better. And
the first time we met with them, in the beginning you're always a little bit skeptical because you hear from other people's experiences how construction companies are not so honest with numbers and projections and timeline. But once we sat down with Kenorah and Jake specifically, you kind of put our mind at ease.
We met with the architect to kind of go over different designs and different layouts because the original design of this house didn't quite work for us. It was very boxy and a lot of walls and just a lot of rooms, whereas we wanted something a little bit more open concept.
And we couldn't really envision what this house would look like. We needed 2 or 3 different types of layouts for us, picture it and see how it would look like.
So working with the designer was probably like 2-3 months of picking all the materials and finishings. And then once that finished and we got the permits approved, the construction started right away. The process was pretty fast because everything was already decided. Like all the colors were already chosen, all the finishes was already chosen. So everything was all laid out. And then once the construction people came in, they just started building and it was done within 5 months.
5 months?
Yeah.
Exactly what the
timeline was.
They said it would be, 5 months.
One of my favorite things is that it's like a one-stop shop. So it's like your designer, your architect, and the construction all in one piece. And it's nice that they kind of talk to each other so that we know the design works with the architectural design with the actual contractors so that they all know what the plan is. Whereas if you hired a designer separately from like an actual contractor, it may not always work out the way that they say it's going to work out, and then in the end, it may cost more.
And also communication was very key for us. Anytime we had any questions, concerns, they dealt with it right away. Yeah, we envisioned a certain amount of rooms with the family in mind, and Attell managed to do that with enough room for each child to grow. Just like those TV shows, once we walked in, we're like, wow, we can see us living here forever. It was beautifully done, and we're more than happy with what the final product came out to be.
It definitely feels like it's our place. Like it has our stamp on it. It's like things that we wanted, the layout that we wanted. It just fits our lifestyle a little bit better.
And we can definitely see our family grow up here and see the neighborhood grow with it as well.